Hello everyone, my name is Isaiah Sanchez and the learning objective that I chose to do my mini lecture on is to describe the degrees of freedom problem as it relates to the study of human motor control. To find the connection between the degrees of freedom problem and the study of human motor control, you need to know what each is and why it is important. The study of human motor control focuses on the functional control between movement and stability. By studying human motor control, it can benefit people in many ways since everything humans do requires some sort of movement. Whether it is sports, medicine, at home, or at work, there is many opportunities practically when studying human motor control. Studying human motor control is used to understand how the body functions in movement in ways to either enhance or relearn specific motor skills and abilities. The study of human motor control encompasses other fields of study such as physiology, physics, neuroscience, just to name a few. Now we can look at what a degree of freedom is. What a degree of freedom is when, in talking in terms of human motor control, is any system that reflects the number of independent components of the system and the number of ways each component can vary. For example, the elbow joint can vary in two different ways: flexion of the elbow and extension of the elbow. In total, the human body has upwards of 240 degrees of freedom throughout, all controlled by the different kinds of muscles found within the body. The degree of freedom problem comes up when a complex system needs to be organized to perform or produce a specific result. How is it that through repetition of a movement may be different in either biggest or slightest of ways, the end result of that movement is always the same. The body must determine how to constrain the system's many degrees of freedom to produce any specific result it desires. That is the relation between the degree of freedom problem and the study of human motor control. When studying movement, knowing what level or elements to control to produce any motor skill or ability is beneficial when teaching or enabling a person to perform that certain skill. The abundance of degrees of freedom that can be found when looking at movement in the human body can make it difficult when trying to understand how human motor control and learning works. But with repetition and practice, a skill that is hard for a beginner, like standing up on a surfboard or the fluid motion of a golf swing, can be mastered once the motor control system solves the degree of freedom problem and coordination characteristics. Thank you.